In this video we will talk about top 5 treatments as back pain relief. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. The back is indeed one of the most functional part of a person's body. Everyone basically needs to rely on their backs as the central workforce of the human body, for it is very important in almost all bodily movements and functions. Functional as it is, the back, however, is also very susceptible to pains and injuries. Back pain can be very distressing and disabling for most people. 8 out of 10 adults suffer from back pain at some point in their lives. Back pain is among the top reasons for health consultations of adults to doctors and experts. Although back pain is a very common illness that one can easily acquire or develop, it is actually a very treatable health condition. There are a lot of simple back pain remedies that a person can perform in the comfort of his home. Also, proper health maintenance is also essential to avoid having back pains. Most cases of back pain generally improves when treated with simple, alternative cures. However, if the condition does not show any improvement, then it needs to be consulted immediately to a doctor. The following are some back pain conditions that require one to immediately consult a doctor. Number 1. If the pain is intense and constant. Number 2. If the pain causes numbness and weakness in the legs. Number 3. If the pain goes with sudden weight loss. Number 4. If the pain causes bladder or bowel complications. Number 5. If the pain is accompanied with fever or abdominal pain. For non-serious cases of back pains, the following are 5 simple treatments that are known to provide back pain relief. Number 1. The power of heat and cold. It is said that heat and cold are among the best mediums to treat back pain. A hot bath and a cold compress are sure to give soothing relief to aching back and inflamed muscles. Most people prefer to use a cold treatment first to calm the spasms in the back muscles. When the spasms subside, a heated pad is applied on the aching back to loosen the tightened muscles. Number 2. The magic of pain relievers. Pain relievers such as ibuprofen and aspirin are among the commonly recommended back pain relief medications by most doctors today. These anti-inflammatory drugs control stiffness, pain, and swelling. Number 3. Acupuncture as a stimulating treatment. As acupuncture becomes a popular alternative cure for a number of health conditions today, it is also a perfect complementary remedy to simple back pain conditions. Number 4. Simple stretching routines. Perhaps the simplest form of back pain relief is stretching. Back pain is relieved in this simple routine as one stretches his back gently, thus, making the muscles relax. Stretching prevents the muscles become tense. Number 5. Move on. If a person is suddenly attacked by serious back pains, he tends to crawl back to bed, thinking that it is the best way to relax the aching muscles in his back. This doesn't, however, help in any way to remedy the pain. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.